Hi, hello viewers. Thanks for watching this video. This is Harish. In this video, I'll show you how to clean the data using Power BI and what is the purpose of cleaning the data. By following that, how to automate the cleaning activity in Power BI desktop. Let's get started. I'll open this folder. In this folder, I have two files. I'll open this Excel file. So this data I used to receive from someone on monthly basis. Basically, this data has been prepared by pivot table. Now, if I want to visualize this data, it will be very difficult to add the components. So before that, I need to clean the data using Power BI Desktop. I'll close this file. I'll open this Power BI Desktop. Once I will open this Power BI Desktop, I need to go to the Get Data and select the Excel. So now I need to pick the first file and then click Open. So once I will click on the file, this Navigator tab will be open. So in this Navigator tab, basically, it will show you how many sheets are available in the Excel sheet. So as of now, we have only one sheet. I'll select this sheet. So you can see that the preview of the sheet. Once we selected the sheet, there are two things. One is load and transform the data. If you click on this load, it will be directly uploaded into Power BI Desktop. But if you click on this transform data, it will open the Power Query editor window and there you can clean the data. I'll click on this transform data. So this is the Power Query editor window. As soon as we are opening this Power Query editor window, the very first thing we have to look at this formula bar. If you don't see this formula bar, go to the view menu and then check this formula bar. So once you added the formula bar, we have three things. The one is query span and another one is data view. The next one is applied steps. What is this query span? So whatever the table you are importing into Power Query Editor, the table will be listed here. So as soon as you select any table, the table data will be showing here. And if you come to the right side, this is what the applied steps. So whatever the changes we are doing in this data, it will be recorded in the applied steps. I'll click on this first step. Now if you look at this formula bar, the step has been created by mQuery. mQuery is a language of Power Query. When you upload the data, there will be combination of mQueries available based on your changes. Now, in this first step, we have uploaded the data from the particular drive. So I'll go to the next step. In this step, we have selected the sheet 1 from the Excel file. So now all the data has been loaded from the Excel file. After that, if I go to the third step, so as soon as I selected this step, you can see that the first row has been promoted as a header. Now, this is not my actual header. So I don't need this step. So how to delete this step? I can simply click on this X button. If I close any step in the mid of applied steps, automatically the next step will throw the error. So I'll also close this step. Now, as of now, we have added two steps. The one is source data and another one is navigation tab. Now I'm going to clean the data. So before cleaning the data, I need to rename this table. I'll select here and then type in a word August data and then enter. I'll go to the home tab. Under the remove rows, I'll select on this remove top rows. Now, basically I want to remove first three rows from this data. I'll add 3 and then click OK. Now you can see that one step has been added. As I told earlier, whatever the changes we are doing in this data, it will be recorded as a step. This is what the M query. Now I need to remove the last row. I'll go to that remove rows, remove bottom rows, one, and then click OK. So once we remove the row, I need to promote the header. I'll go to the transform tab and then click on this icon. So as soon as we promote the headers, automatically this change type step will be added. This step will basically look at your data and then add the data type in the each and every column. You can see that the data type is text. That is the reason it is mentioning ABC. If I'll go to the next column, you can see that the calendar icon has been added. So basically the data type is date. Now in the next step, 1, 2, 3 has been added. So basically the data type is whole number. So this way, it will automatically look at your data and it will add a data type in the M query. Now, if you look at this M query, you will be able to understand. The next thing, I want to repeat the names. I'll go to the transform. Under the fill, I'll select down. And then I'll go to the right side. I'll remove this column. Now we have members and purchase date in the rows and products in the columns. I want to transform the products into rows. I'll select all the columns and then go to the transform. Here we need to select unpivot columns. Select on this unpivot columns. I'll rename this column products. Also amount. Now we have cleaned the data. So whatever the changes we have done in the data, it has been recorded. Now if I go back to each and every step, you can see that whatever the changes we have added, it has been recorded. Now I'll directly go to the home tab and then click and close and apply. Now the data is ready. You can easily visualize the data. I'll create a bar chart and then add a member amount. I'll click here and then add a pie chart. This time I'm going to add product and then amount. I'll click here and then I'll add this chart. I'll add amount and then purchase date. So when we are adding date, automatically the hierarchy will be added. I don't need this hierarchy. I'll close this one. So now you can see that day wise report is ready. I'll just align this report. All right. This way we need to visualize the data. Now, if I'll go to the folder, I'll open this September file. Now you can see that the September file also is the same format. I'll close this file. Now, I don't want to do all the changes, whatever we have done in the August file. Rather than, I can create a duplicate of the M query and then add the September file. I'll go to the home tab. I need to click on this edit queries. I'll right click this query, click on this duplicate. Now I need to change the name September data. I'll directly go to the source and then click on this gear icon. Change the file. Now the September data is ready. I'll click on this last step and then go to the home, close and update. You can see that the September data has been added. Now, if you want to visualize the data, you can simply come here and then create a duplicate page. So as soon as you create a duplicate page, you need to change the source data. That's it. So in this video, we have seen how to clean the data using Power Query. There are so many cleaning properties are available in the Power Query that we will see in the next classes. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video.